Close ba kayo sa close sila, nag-gusto daw sila kayo. For our next, I'd like to give you something from... Ano yung Mary Cruzeta sa Twitter? Siyempre nalalagay.
Alam mo, hindi lang yung audience yung nag-request pa tayo sa stage.
Okay. At least I'd like to give you something from Belinda. Miss Belinda. If you know the song, you can sing along with us.
Hello.
At least we're dedicating this song to our Lady friends.
Yes, this is from the movie. Kumarag pang beauty, right?
Ano po masala? Yan. At I hope you enjoy the foods. Yan. Marami pong masasarap na food na pasitik ka.
And at their sinigang and barbecue.
Tsaka yung pares nila masarap.
May 3rd. Oh.